Today, we are going to discuss forensic medicine and its allied branches in a very simple and detailed way so that you can clearly understand the whole topic. Forensic medicine is a branch of medical science where medical knowledge is applied to solve legal problems. Whenever there is a case related to injury, death, poisoning, sexual assault, accident, or any suspicious situation, forensic medicine plays an important role. The word forensic comes from the Latin term forensis, which means something related to the court of law. So basically, forensic medicine means the use of medical science in court and legal matters. It acts as a bridge between medicine and law. Doctors who work in this field are called forensic experts or forensic specialists. Their main duty is to examine victims, accused persons, or dead bodies and provide scientific opinions to the court. They must remain neutral and unbiased because their opinion can influence the final judgment of a case. One important part of forensic medicine is medical jurisprudence. Medical jurisprudence deals with the legal responsibilities and duties of doctors. It includes topics like consent, medical negligence, professional secrecy, medical ethics, and malpractice. For example, before performing any surgery, a doctor must take proper consent from the patient. If a doctor fails to follow standard medical procedures and harm occurs, it may be considered negligence. Another major branch is forensic pathology. Forensic pathology mainly deals with the examination of dead bodies to determine the cause of death. This examination is called an autopsy or post-mortem examination. During autopsy, the forensic pathologist carefully examines the external injuries and internal organs of the body. They try to answer important questions like when the person died, how the person died, and whether the death was natural, suicidal, accidental, or homicidal. Autopsy findings are very important evidence in criminal cases. Another important allied branch is forensic toxicology. Forensic toxicology deals with poisons, drugs, alcohol, and toxic substances. In suspected poisoning cases, samples like blood, urine, stomach contents, and tissues are collected and analyzed in the laboratory. Toxicologists identify the type of poison and determine whether it caused death or serious harm. With modern laboratory techniques, even a very small amount of poison can be detected. Forensic anthropology is another allied branch. It mainly deals with the study of bones and skeletal remains. Sometimes bodies are found in a highly decomposed condition, or only bones are recovered. In such cases, forensic anthropologists help to identify the person. By examining bones, they can estimate age, sex, height, and sometimes race. They can also detect fractures or injuries present on bones. Forensic pathology is also an important branch. It deals with mental health issues related to legal cases. Sometimes a person commits a crime but claims to be mentally ill. In such situations, forensic psychiatrists evaluate whether the person was mentally sound at the time of the crime. They also determine whether a person is fit to stand trial in court. Another branch is forensic odontology. This branch deals with teeth and dental evidence. Teeth are very strong and can resist fire and decomposition. In cases of mass disasters or burned bodies, dental records are used to identify victims. Bite mark analysis can also be used in criminal investigations. Forensic biology is another important allied branch. It involves the study of biological evidence, such as blood, semen, saliva, hair, and other body fluids. DNA analysis is a powerful tool in this field. DNA is unique for every individual except identical twins. By analyzing DNA samples, investigators can match suspects with crime scene evidence. DNA evidence has solved many complex criminal cases worldwide. Forensic medicine also deals with examination of living persons. For example, in assault cases, doctors examine injuries and prepare medico-legal reports. In sexual offense cases, careful examination and evidence collection are extremely important. These reports are submitted to the court and become part of legal evidence. Proper documentation is very important in forensic practice. Every injury must be described clearly, including size, shape, location, and nature. Photographs and sample collection must be done carefully to maintain the chain of custody. If evidence is not properly handled, it may lose its value in court. Forensic experts must always follow scientific methods. They cannot give opinions based on guesswork. Their conclusions must be supported by medical findings and laboratory reports. The ultimate goal of forensic medicine is to help the justice system. It helps to identify criminals, protect innocent people, and determine the truth behind suspicious events. Without forensic medicine, many crimes would remain unsolved. It ensures that justice is based on scientific evidence rather than assumptions. In summary, forensic medicine is a vital branch of medical science that connects medicine with law. Its allied branches like medical jurisprudence, forensic pathology, toxicology, anthropology, psychiatry, odontology, and biology work together in criminal investigations. Each branch has its own importance, but all of them aim to discover the truth. Forensic medicine is not only about dead bodies or crime scenes, it's about responsibility, accuracy, honesty, and justice. That is why it is considered one of the most important and respected branches in the medical field. Understanding this subject properly helps medical professionals serve society and support the legal system effectively.